You woke up the bird. Look who's in his nest.
So this is Clumsy Bird, and I'm trying to teach my mum how to play it.
That's not the right one.
It is, that's the advert. Okay, so today I am joined with my mum. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm joined today with this person, whoever she might be. Who are you?
I'm your mum.
Oh, are you? She is learning how to play for the first, well, we're seeing her play for the first time. Clumsy Bird. Yeah, that's not Flappy Bird, it's Clumsy Bird, but yeah.
Okay, so wait. So it says tap to fly, so when there's a fly, you go like this, and go. Yeah, so you just tap anywhere, tap. Yeah, but you have to go through the bars. Oh God, I can't watch. No! So that's the replay, so press that one. Try and make fun of me. So try again. No! Wait, I see what you were doing there. Okay, press it now. Okay, go. That's it, flying. Yep, you have to go through there, free! Oh my God. I can't watch. You have to beat my high score, which is 19. Not trying to brag or anything. Not that bit. No! She got 0. That's it! Don't stop! She got 1! You got 1, high five! Ooh! High! No, not too high! Oh God, no, up! Oh, this isn't fair! Why do you feel sorry for the bird? This is how you do it!
This is how we do it!
And you got like 1. Well done to get 1 though, well done. Again. Where does our legs come to? Yeah! You didn't do that. Nobody saw it. Oh! I don't like it anymore. She was doing that to prove that I couldn't. David, you got twice more. Come on, you can get 4 points. Oh my God! Seem to get it the right. Oh, I thought I got that. It had such hope. The bird thought it was going to survive. It went through one thingy. What is it called? Oh my God! Oh, well done. Oh, well done. One more. We can do this. One more. Oh, I thought it was your last go. Who's getting addicted now? Hey? And the bird just flew past. The bird is now upset.